In this question, two polymers are given. We need to identify the monomers of the given polymers. Let's come to the first one. The first polymer given here is polyethylene terephthalate, or it is also known as PET. The monomers used for the preparation of this polymer includes ethylene glycol and phthalic acid. Both of these molecules will undergo condensation reaction to produce PET. It is widely used in fibers for clothing, containers for beverages and food, and as a material for various industrial applications due to its durability and resistance to moisture. The second polymer given here is polyacrylonitrile. This is also known as PAN, and this is used primarily in the production of synthetic fibers such as in the manufacturing of acrylo fabrics and also in applications like carbon fiber production. The monomer used here is acrylonitrile or propylnitrile. It is known for its high strength, resistance to chemical and environmental degradation, and its ability to be dyed.